Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using MyHeritage. MyHeritage, www.myheritage.com, offers a compelling suite of tools for exploring family history. The platform provides several key features, including building family trees, searching through billions of historical records, and even incorporating DNA testing for more in-depth genealogical insights. With its user-friendly interface, MyHeritage strives to make delving into your ancestry accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior experience with genealogy research. The website boasts a vast collection of historical documents, such as birth certificates, marriage records, census data, and immigration papers, all of which can provide crucial clues for piecing together your family's story. Beyond traditional genealogical research, MyHeritage provides DNA testing services that can help you uncover your ethnic origins and connect with living relatives you may not have known existed. By analyzing your DNA, MyHeritage can estimate your ethnic breakdown, providing percentages linked to various regions around the globe. This information can paint a vivid picture of your ancestral heritage and help you understand the migration patterns of your ancestors. The DNA matching feature allows you to connect with other MyHeritage users who share segments of your DNA, potentially revealing previously unknown family connections. MyHeritage also offers a variety of tools to enhance your family history experience. These include photo enhancement features, which can breathe new life into old, faded photographs, and even colorize black and white images. There's also a deep nostalgia feature that animates faces in still photos, creating short videos that can bring your ancestors to life in a remarkably realistic way. These tools can add a powerful emotional dimension to your genealogical research, allowing you to connect with your past in a more personal and engaging manner. Ultimately, MyHeritage provides a comprehensive platform for exploring your family history, from building a detailed family tree to uncovering surprising genetic connections and bringing old photos back to life.